Most small business owners do not have a marketing plan. They have a feeling. Post more, run an ad, try that thing the guy on Instagram was talking about. Then December comes, and they cannot explain why the year went the way it did. That is not laziness. That is what happens when you have no system. Today, you are going to build one from scratch, for free, using a tool that does most of the thinking for you. You do not need to know anything about AI. You do not need to be technical. If you can open a Google Doc, you can do everything in this video. The tool is called NotebookLM. Google made it. It is completely free. And by the end of this video, you will have a real marketing plan for 2026, built from your own business information. Not a generic template someone else made for a different business in a different market. And if you want to use my exact prompts that I used to create this marketing strategy, find the link in the description below. Go to notebooklm.google.com. That link will also be in the description below. Sign in with your Google account, the same one you use for Gmail or Google Drive. Once you are inside, click New Notebook. When you get here, close the pop-up window and first name your note Marketing Plan. That is your workspace. Now here is the thing that makes NotebookLM different from every other AI tool you have probably heard about. ChatGPT knows about everything. Millions of websites, thousands of books, billions of words of information. That sounds powerful. But when you ask ChatGPT to help with your marketing plan, it gives you advice built for the average business. It does not know your customers. It does not know what you sell or what has worked for you before. Every answer it gives you could apply to 10,000 different businesses. NotebookLM only knows what you tell it. You upload your documents. It reads them. Every answer it gives you from that point forward comes only from what you shared. Your specific customers, your specific sales, your specific results. The advice fits because the AI is working from your actual information, nothing else. Think of it like hiring a consultant, except this consultant reads everything you give them and never forgets a single detail. Step 1 is giving the tool something to work with. You are going to upload 5 documents. Do not worry if you do not have all 5 right now. Start with what you have. Even 2 or 3 documents will produce something useful. The first document is your customer information. This does not need to be a fancy spreadsheet. Open a Google Doc and start typing. Write down the most common things your customers say when they talk about your product or service. What do they complain about before they find you? What do they say after they buy? If you have Google reviews or WhatsApp messages from happy customers, copy and paste those in. The more real customer language you include, the better the AI understands who you are actually selling to. The second document is your sales history. Go back 12 months. Write down which products or services made the most money. Which months were your strongest? Which were slow? Which types of customers spent the most? Even rough numbers are fine. You are not doing accounting. You are showing the AI where your business actually grew. The third document is your competitor research. Pick 2 or 3 competitors you respect. Go to their websites. Copy their homepage text, their pricing page, and a few of their social media posts into a Google Doc. Save it. You are showing the AI the market you are competing in, so it can help you find the gaps. The fourth document is your best content. If you have been posting on social media, sending emails, or running any kind of ads, find the ones that got the best response. Posts that people saved or shared, emails that got replies, ads that brought in sales. Paste all of that into one document. You are teaching the AI what has already worked for your specific audience. The fifth document is your goals. Write one page describing where you want the business to be by December 2026. How many clients do you want per month? How much revenue? Which new markets do you want to enter? Write it out plainly. The AI needs a target to build toward. To upload these documents into NotebookLM, click the plus button inside your notebook. You can upload files directly from your computer or paste text straight into the tool. Once your documents are in, give it about 30 seconds to process everything. You will see them appear as sources on the left side of the screen. Now you are ready to start asking questions. Here are the 4 specific questions to ask NotebookLM in order. Type each one exactly as written. Wait for the full response. Copy each response into a separate Google Doc before moving to the next question. Type this first. Based on the documents I uploaded, who is my most profitable customer type and what do they care about most? Read the answer slowly. The AI is pulling patterns from your actual customer data, things you have probably seen before but never organized in one place. Type this second. Based on my content history, what messaging has connected best with my audience? Give me 5 specific angles I should focus on in 2026. This answer is going to show you what your audience has already been responding to. You are not guessing anymore. The data is telling you. Type this third. Based on my competitor research, what needs are my competitors not meeting? What gaps exist that my business could fill? This is the question most business owners never think to ask. The answer shows you where the real opportunity is, not just how to copy what is already working for someone else. Type this fourth. Using everything in this notebook, build me a 12-month marketing calendar for 2026. Organize it by quarter. For each quarter, tell me the main audience to focus on, the core message to use, the best content types, and one specific campaign idea. Read this answer twice. What you are looking at is the first draft of your actual marketing plan. The first draft will not be perfect. Do not panic when you see something that does not feel right. If a section feels off, tell the AI exactly what is wrong. For example, if it recommends a heavy TikTok strategy, but your customers are 40 years old and on Facebook, type this. My audience is primarily on Facebook, not TikTok. Rebuild the Q2 section using Facebook as the main channel. The AI will update that section immediately. You do not start over. You just correct what needs correcting. This back and forth process takes about 20 minutes for most people. At the end of those 20 minutes, you will have a quarterly marketing plan that is specific to your business, your customers, and your goals. Not a template. Not a framework from a YouTube guru. Yours. Once the plan is built, do one more thing before you close the tab. Ask NotebookLM to create the first execution document. Type this. Write me a 30-day content plan for January 2026 based on the Q1 strategy we just built. Include the topic, the main message, and the platform for each piece of content. This turns your strategy from a plan on paper into something you can actually start executing on Monday morning. Print it out or save it to Google Drive. Put it somewhere you will see it every week. At the end of every quarter, come back to this notebook. Upload your new results. Add what worked. Add what did not. Then ask, based on my Q1 results, what should change in Q2? The AI updates the plan using real evidence from your actual business performance. This is the part that separates business owners who grow from business owners who stay stuck at the same number year after year. A plan you never update is not a plan. It is a wish. NotebookLM turns your marketing strategy into something that actually moves with your business. Right now, search interest for NotebookLM is up 310% in the last 90 days. That means most of your competitors have not found this yet. The businesses that build their systems now will have a full year of data and a refined strategy before anyone else catches up. Go to notebooklm.google.com. Sign in with Google. Create your notebook. Upload what you have. Ask the 4 questions from this video. Save every response. Before today is over, there is one more step. It takes 5 minutes and it turns your marketing plan from a wall of text into something you can actually open every Monday morning and know exactly what to post. Take the 12-month calendar NotebookLM just built. Highlight all of it. Copy it. Now open a new tab and go to Claude.ai. Paste the entire calendar into the chat box. Then type this instruction directly below it. Take this marketing plan and turn it into a 12-month content calendar inside a Google Sheet. Organize it with 1 row per week. Include columns for the week number, the month, the content theme, the platform, the post topic, the core message, and the call to action. Make it ready to use from January 2026. Press Enter. Claude will read the entire plan and build a structured week-by-week content calendar from it. Every column will be filled. Every week will have a clear topic, a platform, and a message direction. When it finishes, look for the download option. Save the file as a CSV. Open Google Sheets. Go to File, then Import, then upload the CSV file. Your content calendar is now a live Google Sheet you can share with your team, color code by platform, and update every week as you go. You started today with a blank document and a feeling. You are ending today with a 12-month strategy, a week-by-week content calendar, and a Google Sheet that tells you exactly what to post every single week of 2026. That is not a small thing.